Welcome back to Crafting with Jenny Francis. Today I'm going to show you an unboxing of the business kit from Stampin' Up. When you join Stampin' Up, you join for a fee and then you get to choose your kit, $235 worth of product. So I'm going to show you what I got in mine. As you can see, I haven't opened it. Okay. You get lots of bubbles. Okay, you get some You're Invited cards. You get quite a lot of those. I picked the In Color the ink pads, stamping pad. So I got Shy Shamrock, Petunia Pop, Summer Splash, and Pretty in Pink. I also got the embossing folder of Stampin' Cut and Emboss. So it's Thoughtful Moments. It's a hybrid embossing folder, and then you can put it through and it cuts it as well. That's another video I will do. And we also have Peach Pie stamping pad, Stamping Dimensionals, which is self-adhesive foam mounts. You can see the little hexagonals. I got that. I got the In Color resin dots. They're a matte finish. I got the January to April mini catalogue. So there'll be lots of inspirational layouts and designs that I can use from that. I got the Country Woods 12x12 paper pack, which we've got Basic Beige, Basic Grey, Crumb Cake, Early Espresso, Grey Granite, Misty Moonlight, Pecan Pie, Petal Pink, Pool Party, Smoky Slate, and Wild Wheat. So I'll see if I can open it. Might be a bit tricky. Here we go. Okay, so you get two of each sheet. So cute. I love wood grain. So. Okay, so that's that. And I also got the In Color A4 cardstock that match the stamping pads, and the 12x12. I also picked a Stampin' Right Basic Black, which is double. You've got a 0.5 and like a brush nib. And then we have, very heavy, we have this box. We have the May to April annual catalogue. Some of those. And what's in this other box? Oh, it's been tricky. Let's open it this way. And then we have the other box, the annual catalogue, starting on the 1st of May 2024. So I have, I think, 8 catalogues. So I will be sharing those out. So that's everything that you get in the business kit. If you'd like any more information, please let me know. Happy to help out.